Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitch block screen not playing video. So if you're experiencing that issue, don't worry. These steps are super easy and beginner friendly. So first, go ahead and open your browser and go to twitch.tv. Now once you're at the website, the first thing you want to check is your browser extension. So click on the extensions at the top. Now sometimes extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with Twitch and cause the video to not load properly. So what you want to do is turn off allow extensions on Twitch TV. So make sure you disable them properly, then refresh the Twitch page. Now after refreshing, check if the video is now playing. If it's still not working, the next step is to clear Twitch related cookies. So here's how. Click the settings or lock icon near the address bar. Go to cookies and site data, so tap on it. Click on cookies. Now find Twitch, tap on it. Then click on remove or delete those cookies. Click on done and refresh the page once again. If the issue is still there, we'll go a bit deeper and remove all stored data from Twitch. So just follow these steps. Go back to cookies and site data settings. Click on the lock icon at the top. Tap on cookies and site data. And in here, tap on settings. Next, tap on see all cookies and site data. Now in the search bar, type Twitch and delete everything related to Twitch. So click on the delete icon and make sure you delete all of this. Now after that, restart the website and log into your account again. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the Twitch black screen problem and get your videos playing again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.